And here's an old air conditioner that I filmed in the summertime, but for some reason I deleted it. It says high efficiency on the top. If I can remember right. Yeah, Bristol. Oh, it's a heat pump. It is a heat pump. I never saw the reversing valve before in there. I have to make this quick. I get to the data. Let's see. It's from 1989. 1 ton, I think. So yeah, this is a heat pump right here. High efficiency. I don't know the brand. Probably ICP. But yeah, this is a heat pump. There's not many heat pumps in the Portland area. But yeah, and then across the street here, there's a Luxaire air conditioner. This one's an air conditioner because it has the micro channel coils. Let me see if I could scale this cliff here. It looks like I can't get up there. Maybe I could zoom in on the data. I don't know. I guess it's from 2016.